Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use or install VPN to your machine. So the purpose of this VPN is to not allowing you to trace your IP address or change your location. So basically here you just go to Google. The best application that is free is actually VPN, Turbo VPN. Turbo VPN. So once you Google it, the first search engine pop up, you just need to download this. So in this tutorial, I will show you speed test what this thing do. So for example, I'm using this speed test, and I click this connecting. Let me do some testing here first before I proceed with the installation for that application. So as you notice, I'm actually located in Singapore. So this is my provider, and this is the IP they actually provided to me. Alright, so the testing is done. We can actually try to locate this computer. Alright, so this is the second testing I'm doing. So basically you can still see I'm still under my provider, which is Intel, and this test trying to reach this Sun Techcom provider by Hong Kong. So alright, so let's go back to VPN and try to download this, save. I'll give you one demonstration as well here. If I open this YouTube application, it will trace me. I'm located in Singapore. Let me try to look my own channel and filter this. There you go. So as you can see, it's under YouTube Singapore. Right, so now I will try to install this. Right, then let me try to run this application. So basically the interface of this application is really simple and straightforward. There's a few countries here on the left side. You can actually select which country you want to connect. Right, so in this tutorial, maybe we can just select anything here. I'll select Canada first. So once you see this pop-up message saying that connect successful, so we can actually try to refresh this page, or just go straight forward to YouTube. Then there you go. You see, it's YouTube CA. It means it's Canada. So every time you change this part, it will automatically reroute your IP address to different country, which is good. um then let's try this again. Probably we need to just refresh this. Try Hong Kong again. As you can see, my provider is changed based on the country I've chosen, which is Canada. So most probably this is a bit strong internet provider for them. So yep, basically I've changed my location, so we can actually test using this Okla as well. So as you can see again, it's actually a different provider now. So let me try to do one more testing. This time we try to connect to Netherlands. In order for you to disconnect, you just select one of this country, then automatically it will give you a success connection success. Enjoy a private access. Alright, so now I'm connecting to Netherlands. So let me try to refresh again here, and by right it will change the provider again based on the country I selected. Let me try to use, okay, let me try to just refresh this, then try Hong Kong again. Yep, sometimes you need to keep trying this for speed test, but in order for you to confirm that you're actually connected to the Netherlands, the easiest way is actually go to your YouTube browser, click enter here, then you will notice that this YouTube, right, it will change to NL, means Netherlands. Yep. So this is how you actually confirm that you're connected to your VPN by open the YouTube channel. Then you can see the extension country here. Maybe we can do one more testing. This time I'm connecting to Canada, Germany. So I do have indication that this is connected. Then let me try to refresh this one again. There you go. So yeah, hope this tutorial help you guys to private your network. And yeah, thanks for watching.